Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So coming back to the topic that is types of knowledge under knowledge representation of AI. So in the last lecture, we have already discussed about four types of knowledge, that is declarative, procedural, semantic and episodic. Everything was discussed in detail. Now remaining four parts we are going to discuss in this session. So let's start the discussion. First knowledge in today's class is your meta knowledge. So meta knowledge is a knowledge about knowledge, right? Meta means knowledge about knowledge. It helps AI to understand what it know. अगर हमें AI से पूछना है कि आपको क्या पता है हमारे सिस्टम के बारे में, then definitely we can use meta knowledge representation. It also helps AI to understand how reliable its knowledge is. And thirdly, it helps AI to understand when it needs more information. So this is about meta knowledge in AI. Basically, students, meta knowledge allows AI to evaluate. It allows AI to evaluate, to manage, and to improve its decision making process by choosing the best knowledge to use in different situations. For example, knowing that a dictionary is a good source for word meanings. This is taken under meta knowledge of AI. Now let's just talk about some characteristics of meta knowledge. So first characteristic is your self awareness. AI understands the limits of its knowledge. AI को पता है कि उसको किसी चीज के बारे में कितना नॉलेज है. It always understands the limits of its knowledge. कोई टॉपिक अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज अगर हम सर्च कर रहे हैं, मेटा नॉलेज अंडर यूज हो रहा है एआई में और वो किस लेवल पर हमें रिजल्ट दे रहा है, दैट शोज अबाउट द सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ऑफ दैट सिस्टम. क्लियर? अनदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज योर डिसीजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. About decision optimization, AI selects the best approach for solving any problem using its meta knowledge. Third characteristic is adaptive learning. So students, adaptive learning means AI improves by identifying gaps in its knowledge. That is called adaptive learning. Fourth characteristic can be its error detection policy or error detection power. AI detects inconsistencies and uncertainties in its reasoning. Now let's just talk about some examples of meta knowledge in AI. First example can be your search engines like Google, Bing. AI decides which sources are reliable when ranking search results. This is done with the help of meta knowledge only. Another example can be your chatbots and virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa. AI always know when it lacks information and ask clarifying questions instead of giving wrong information. जैसे कि अगर आप गूगल असिस्टेंट या अलेक्सा यूज कर रहे हो और आपने उनसे कुछ पूछा, तो वो आपको रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन कभी भी नहीं देगा. अलेक्सा गूगल असिस्टेंट को अगर कहीं पर क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं हुआ है तो वो फिर से आपसे पूछते हैं. क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग वो करते हैं जब तक उनको क्लियर डेटा के बारे में पता ना चले. All these can be done only with the help of meta knowledge representation in AI. Another is your self-driving cars. We all know AI evaluates with sensor data is more reliable. For example, camera, radar in foggy weather, all these are done with the help of meta knowledge only. Clear everyone? Now if we compare meta knowledge with declarative knowledge, so meta knowledge means knowledge about knowledge and declarative knowledge means knowledge of facts, right? Let's take an example. Declarative knowledge means cats are animals. It always categorizes the things. It always shares some facts, right? And if we talk about meta knowledge, Then I'm taking an example that I am 80% sure this is a cat. I'm not saying that I'm 100% sure. I'm 80% sure that this is cat. Clear? And if we if I'm taking same example for procedural knowledge, then for sure it will help you getting the answer of how to recognize a cat in an image. This is an example of procedural knowledge where I'm requesting AI to answer some steps, to answer in the form of procedures, right? So I'm concluding this topic that meta knowledge helps AI think smarter by managing its own knowledge. It is essential for error detection, decision optimization, and adaptive learning. AI systems like chatbots, search engines, self-driving cars, and medical AI uses meta knowledge to improve the accuracy and reliability. It always helps us to improve the accuracy. As I have told you earlier, कि अगर एक बार अलेक्सा को आपका क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया तो वो आप फिर से पूछते हैं. वी ऑल यूजेस चैट जीपीटी दीज डेज, राइट? सो चैट जीपीटी में भी अगर हम कुछ क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, वो क्वेश्चन को समझ नहीं पाया, सो दे ऑलवेज आस्क अस टू elaborate what we want. All these are done with the help of meta knowledge representation in AI only. I hope students everything is clear till now. Now I'm moving to another type of knowledge, that is your heuristic knowledge. Alright everyone, so heuristic knowledge, rules of thumb or shortcuts to solve problems quickly. For example, if a door won't open, try pushing before pulling. This is what? This is heuristic knowledge, right? So heuristic knowledge is nothing but it is a problem solving knowledge based on the experience, based on the rules of thumb and approximations rather than exact algorithms. Heuristic knowledge helps AI make decisions quickly and efficiently when exact solutions are too complex or time consuming. So, whenever we face any issue that is very complex to solve, that is time consuming, then definitely we must use heuristic knowledge in AI. Now let's just talk about its characteristics. So first characteristic is it is a rule based system. It uses if then rule to guide decision making. It uses if then else rule for decision making, for better decision making, we can say. Another characteristic of heuristic knowledge is approximate solution. It does not guarantee the best answer but provides a good one. As in this example, if a door won't open, try pushing before pulling. This is the approximate solution of this choti si problem, right? Another characteristic is experience driven, based on past experiences or expert intuitions. Fourth characteristic is it is fast and efficient. It helps AI solve complex problem in a faster way. As I have told you, heuristic knowledge is basically used for problem solving based on the experiences, right? So heuristic knowledge is essential for AI when quick decision and problem solving are needed, especially in the field of chess, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, self-driving cars. While heuristics do not always guarantee the best solution, they help AI make fast and effective decisions based on their experiences, their past experiences. Right, everyone? So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, You can definitely share with me, and if you want me to continue this amazing session, then also you can share your feedback. Okay. Next knowledge type we have is common sense knowledge. As its name implies, it is basic understanding of everyday things that humans know naturally. For example, if it is raining, you need an umbrella. This is what? This is common sense knowledge. Right? It is basic everyday knowledge that humans use to understand and interact with the world. If we want our system to use this type of common sense in any situation, if we want our machine to use common sense in such situations, then definitely common sense knowledge representation can be used. It includes some facts, reasoning and expectations about how things normally work. So students, we have some challenges in teaching AI common sense. अगर हमें अपनी मशीन को एआई कॉमन सेंस सिखाना है तो हमें कुछ चैलेंजेस को फेस करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी होती है। एआई स्ट्रगल्स विद न्यू और अनएक्सपेक्टेड इवेंट्स दैट रिक्वायर फ्लेक्सिबल थिंग्स। अब हम लोगों को तो पता है कि अगर बारिश हो रही है तो वी हैव टू टेक अम्ब्रेला विद अस, राइट। लेकिन अगर इस तरीके से टेढ़ी बारिश हो रही है, सो सिस्टम इसमें नहीं समझ पाएगा कि अम्ब्रेला तो है, उसने अम्ब्रेला सीधा पकड़ा भी है, बट सिस्टम को ये समझ अनएक्सपेक्टेड कंडीशंस में समझ नहीं आएगा कि सेम रूल्स और प्रोटोकॉल्स को कैसे यूज करना है, राइट। So teaching AI common sense is very difficult because much of this knowledge is unspoken and learned through experiences. Next knowledge we have is domain specific knowledge. So domain specific knowledge in AI focuses on specialized fields such as medicine, finance, law or engineering. It includes highly detailed and structured information relevant to a particular industry. So domain specific knowledge refers to specialized knowledge. This particular statement is very, very important. It is a specialized knowledge about a particular field or industry. Unlike general knowledge, which applies to many areas, domain specific knowledge is tailored to a specific subject such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Now, let's just talk about its characteristics. So, it is basically industry oriented, और वी कैन से इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक। एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, हर एक इंडस्ट्री, हर एक स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए इसका नॉलेज अलग तरीके से यूज होता है। इट फोकस्ड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड। फॉर एग्जांपल, लॉ का जो नॉलेज है वो सिर्फ लॉ फील्ड में ही यूज होगा। फाइनेंस का जो नॉलेज है वो फाइनेंस में ही यूज होगा। जनरल नॉलेज की तरह एक ही बात को सब जगह पर वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई। नेक्स्ट इज हाईली डिटेल्ड। It contains deep, expert level information. Another is custom models. Custom models and data. So AI is trained on specialized data set for better accuracy. Now let's take some examples of domain specific knowledge. If I talk about healthcare AI, like AlphaFold, DeepMind's AlphaFold, right? IBM's Watson Health. All these are AI based healthcare systems. So these diagnoses diseases by analyzing medical records and symptoms. It predicts protein structures for drug discovery. And if I talk about financial AI, like fraud detection, stock market prediction, so it detects fraudulent transactions by analyzing spending patterns. It also predicts stock prices using financial models and market data. So this is how domain specific knowledge works differently in every field, right? So students, by training AI on customer datasets and expert rules, businesses and professionals can improve decision making accuracy and efficiency by using domain specific knowledge, because it is more intelligent and useful in specialized fields only, right? So I hope all these 8 types are clear to you. In previous lecture, we have discussed four types of knowledge, and here also we have discussed four types of knowledge. If you have any doubt, you can definitely share with me. I will help you and share your feedback in the comment section. So thank you so much, everyone. All the very best.